Hello everyone. Today we are going to be solving equations using the hanger method. So let me grab my pen, favorite color, purple, and let's start. Alright, so here we see a hanger that looks like it's a balanced hanger because if it was not balanced, it would be tipping one side or the other, just like a scale would do. Or, you can imagine with your clothes, if you try to bunch your clothes up on one side of it, definitely the hanger is going to tip to one side, right? So this looks like a balanced one. So when we have a balanced hanger, we actually have a equal sign in the middle. So let's grab that pen. So that balanced means that both sides equal each other, okay? That means that whatever's on the left-hand side equals what's on our right-hand side. So we're going to write down what we see. We're just going to count like terms and put those together. So on our left-hand side, we see that we have two x's, right? 1, 2. So we're going to write that down. 2x. And then we can mark it out if we would like. So I'm going to kind of just mark it out. And then that leaves us with a 5. So we're going to add that 5 to this, because that's what made up this side of the hanger was a 5. So it's an addition, it's a plus. Well, then we know this is a balanced hanger. So we're going to bring that equal sign down here. Bring it right on down. Just bring it down. And then on our other side, we just have a 23. There's nothing else to do with it, so we're just going to write that down. 23. All right. So let's try another one. Okay. So here on our left-hand side, we have, how many m's do you see? You see 1, 2. So again, we're going to write down 2m. Mark those out. And then you're going to write down your 7. Because that's what we have. Now this is a balanced equation, a balanced hanger. So that means that equal sign's right here. So bring that equal sign and we'll put it in. Yep. All right. Let's go over here and look what we have on this right-hand side. We have 1m. So 1m means we can just write the letter M. Okay. We have that plus sign, but look, we have like terms. We have just two numbers. We have a 12 and a 3. So 12 and a 3 together, if you add those together, you would get 15. And because they're like, we can just put them together. So mark all those out. We used them all. So that's how you write the equation. All right, let's move on to the next one. So in the next one, we have 3 peas, it looks like. Do you guys like peas? I love peas. 3p. And then we have a -6. We're still going to use our plus. -6. We still have a balanced equation, so we can, or balanced hanger, so we can use our equal sign. And then we can use, we have a p. So we're going to write down p plus, okay, here we have a -8 and a -2. Feel free to use your calculator, do this in your head, count it, however you'd like to do it, use a number line. And we're going to say -8 plus -2, and that's going to give us a -10. All right, so look at that. We've set up an equation that's equal to each other. We can solve for something here, right? This is what we're working towards, but not yet. We're going to do one more of these hanger models, okay? All right, so here we have 25 on one side. So let's write 25 down. Okay, and then comes down, we have that equals sign, because this is a balanced hanger. Balance. So now we're going to put down what we have next up here. We have a 13. Okay. and then we use our plus sign. And then you have two r's. We're combining those like terms. So we can combine them and get 2r. Okay, so this is how we use the hanger model to give us an equation, right? To give us a balanced equation. Then we can solve the part of the equation, which we'll work on in our next lesson. All right, guys, thanks for listening, and I will see you soon.